Hello, my dear students. I am your teacher and your guide on this journey to fluent English. Today's lesson is very special, and the topic is Think Positive. Before we begin, let me ask you, do you remember our pattern? Do you remember our method? Yes, you do. So let's start the right way. Move your body, shake your shoulders, stretch your arms, be full of energy. Are you ready? All right, let's begin. Think positive. This isn't just a nice idea. It's not just a quote on social media. It's a way of living. It's something you choose every single day. When you choose positive thoughts, you don't just feel better. You learn better, too. You grow faster, you become stronger, happier, and more confident. And yes, your English gets better as well. Positive thinking means focusing on the good. It means looking for solutions instead of problems. It means believing that something great can happen, even when life feels difficult. It doesn't mean you ignore problems. No, of course not. But it does mean you choose to focus on strength. You focus on hope. You focus on what's possible, not what's broken. Now listen, your mind is powerful, very powerful. If you keep telling yourself, I can't do it, I'm bad at English, I'll never speak well, then your brain listens. It believes you. It gives up. But when you start saying, I can improve, I will speak English, I am getting better every day, then your brain listens to that too, and it helps you move forward. So I want you to say it with me right now. Say it out loud. I can do it. I will speak English fluently. I am getting better every day. Say those words with energy, with power. Say them again tomorrow. And the next day. Say them when you walk. Say them in the mirror. Say them when you feel tired. Say them when you feel afraid. Why? Because repetition creates belief. Positive thinking becomes stronger when you repeat it daily. The old negative thoughts are still in your head. And they're strong. You must replace them. Over and over, again and again. In the morning, I want you to say, today is a great day. I am confident. I'm getting better and better. Say these phrases while walking. Say them with a smile. Move your body, use your voice, feel the energy, make it real. I'll tell you about Anna. She's from Brazil. She used to feel terrible about her English. Every day she said, I'm shy, I'm not good at this, I feel stupid. And every day she stayed the same. She was afraid to speak, she avoided practice. But then she made a decision. She changed her words. She started saying, I am brave. I love English. I enjoy learning. She listened to English while walking. She smiled. She shouted her positive beliefs. And slowly, she changed. Her confidence grew. Her speaking improved. Now she speaks English with people all around the world. She feels proud. She changed her life by changing her thoughts. Now listen carefully. Negative thinking is poison. It will kill your progress. It will make you tired, scared, and frustrated. Maybe you've said these things. I'll never learn English. I'm too old. I'm too busy. Stop. Those are lies. Lies your fear tells you. Instead, say, I can learn even if I'm busy. I improve a little every day. I'm not too old. I'm experienced. See the difference? Same situation, different attitude, different belief, and better results. So, how do you apply positive thinking in your life? Here's how. First, speak positive affirmations every day. In the morning, say, I am learning fast. English is fun. I love challenges. I never quit. Second, move your body. Smile. When your body feels strong, your brain follows. Third, surround yourself with positive energy, not negative people. Listen to motivating music. Watch uplifting videos. Fourth, celebrate progress. Did you learn one new word today? Celebrate. Did you speak one full sentence? Great job. Feel proud. And finally, repeat your positive beliefs every single day, not once, every day. Make them part of who you are. Say these now with me. I can do it. I am getting better. I love learning English. I will never quit. Feel that? That's the energy we need. That's the power of thinking positive. You have a choice every day. You can choose to think negative and feel fear, stress, and defeat. Or you can choose belief, strength, and confidence. Choose to think positive, because when you change your thoughts, you change how you feel. When you change how you feel, you change what you do. And when you change what you do, you change your whole life. You are doing great. You are on the right path. Just keep listening, keep smiling, keep thinking positive, and watch your English and your life transform. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more powerful English learning content. Like the video, leave a comment, and let us know how you stay positive every day. And I'll see you in the mini story for this lesson. Think positive.